Hi guys, so today I am going to get rid of this color, this disgusting, it was red for a while. Now my hair has been bleached before and I wanted to do something a little bit healthier. I am part of the Curly Girls group on Facebook and while I don't necessarily follow the whole no poo, I want to try to get my hair to be a little bit healthier and all that kind of stuff. So I went out and bought Arctic Fox. It's a semi-permanent hair color. It's cruelty-free and vegan. There's no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, no PPD, and apparently it's really good for your hair. So unlike when I regularly color my hair, they tell you to, you can use it on dirty hair because you're using peroxide and stuff. But this one says you should wash it first. So this is what my color looks like now. I'm trying to take out all the bobby pins. It's very brassy, very just is what it is now. Semi-permanent, it's not going to color these roots, I don't think, as much as, you know, as much as obviously bleaching it would. But so this is the color now, and we are going to do Purple Rain. I figured something darker, but definitely different. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, no conditioner, just shampoo, let it dry, and then I'll probably hit a blow dryer to it because otherwise this will take days to dry. Wash it, dry it, and color it. So let's see how this goes. So now that my hair is dry, this is what it looks like. Curls for days. So I'm just gonna separate it all out, put some clips in, and get started. It's a lot of hair, lots of hair. I'm hoping this 8-ounce bottle is enough, honestly. Now in reality, I just love coloring my hair. It keeps me from cutting it because I go from long hair to short hair to long hair to short hair a lot because I like change. I get really bored really quickly. So I've been growing my hair out now for, I don't know, a couple years, maybe 2 years or so. Not even, maybe 2 years. But in reality, it's just, it's a process. It's just a lot of it. And I'm really not that great at taking care of curly hair. I want to be one of those girls who has these beautiful long mane of hair and it's beautiful and this and that, but I don't. Or I do, but I gotta work at it. So all this is done. First things first, I forgot a towel to put where my thing is, where my hair line is. I only have one glove, so it's gonna be fun. Vaseline. I would like to protect these edges. I don't really want my, what's it called? My forehead to be purple. Last time I colored my hair, I had to do it twice because I was so nervous about my forehead that I missed the whole crown of my head. And I had a black band before it went red, right here. It was crazy. It looked crazy. Didn't realize until I was done. And yeah, so Vaseline everywhere, tops of the ears. I do keep my hair up a lot, so put on the ears, and then just the back of the neck. I mean, I really don't care about the back of the neck so much, but I do it because just trying to prevent as much color as possible. Now they say with this color, you gotta wash it out with cold water. So I will do that in the kitchen sink later once this is done. All right, we're ready. Okay, so make a makeshift thing, bobby pins and a towel. Just get attached to this. Now I do have a glove. I have my brush. And we have our color and this thingy for afterwards, so that the color will soak in. I'll probably wrap this around my hair around the bag so that it stays a little warm in there for it to develop, or not develop, deposit the color, I guess is what it's called, since it's not, whatever this is, it's not permanent, semi-permanent. We'll just start with the back. So directions, cool. And put it in a bowl. We're gonna get to it. All right, so all the color's in. Make sure that there's color everywhere. It looks like there is. We're just gonna cover it and let it work and let's do a thing. Mind you, I will clean up these, my ear is purple. Clean up all these spots on my face, both of my hands. This is why you need 2 gloves, people. Look at this. And now we wait. So now that it's done, my hair looks nearly black. Actually, it does look black, which is really my normal hair color. It's still wet. I didn't dry it. So we'll see. Once it's dry, I mean, I'm sure it might be a little bit lighter, but I don't know. So we will see. I wonder what it looks like in the sun. Let's check it out in the sun. So in the sun is definitely where you're gonna see the actual purple. Like I said, once it's dry, we'll probably see it more purple, but I don't know, my hair is naturally dark. Even with it lightened with a 30 developer, it's still pretty dark, but I kind of like it. I think it's fun. I wasn't expecting the vibrant purple that you see on the thing because my hair, like I said, again, naturally dark hair. So once it's dry, we'll see, but I really do love it. I left it in for about an hour, and nothing happened to my hair. My hair feels great. Smells delicious. So we'll see, and we'll see how long it lasts. Honestly, I'm loving it. So new hair, who dis?